Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from metroguiderealty, and before we begin our quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom duplex townhome development for sale located here in BF Resort, Las Pinas City. So this is a two-part video. This is the first part showing the first unit, and then we have a second video showing the next unit. Now let's go. So you have a solid steel gate, leading to a carport area that can fit 2 vehicles. In terms of the space, this can't really fit one of the very big vans, but if you have a smaller sedan, this can accommodate it. The same for this other side. So one is completely covered and one is partially covered. And you have really nice tiles and an elevated first level for the property. It's elevated about 2 to 3 feet from street level. And here we have the main entrance. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You have a nice open layout for the whole living and dining space. So you can make this your living area with an entertainment space here, and you can have your large widescreen TV on this side. And it has an open design leading all the way to the kitchen space. So you have your stairs here leading to the second floor. You have a powder room here for guests. And on this side, this is where you can have your dining space. And as another design feature, you even have an open ceiling. And this creates greater ventilation as well because the air can flow from the first and second levels of the property. You also have a sliding door here, giving you access to the side of the house and to the parking space. On this side, this is where you can have a nice alfresco space as well, and even a table and a chair just as an outdoor space. You have a countertop over here. This is a nice area for a quick breakfast as an informal dining space. And you have an open kitchen area. So the kitchen area is quite spacious. You have the sink area here, you have a counter area here, and this is where you can have your refrigerator. On the other side, this is where you can have your stove. That's why you already have a provision here for your range hood. And this door leads to the patio space beside the dining area with access leading to the carport area. And from here, you have additional space in the form of a wet, dirty kitchen space, an auxiliary kitchen area. You can even have your laundry machine over here, a washing machine, and you have a garden area here And this is where you have the maid's room and the bath. You can make this whole area as an area where you can hang clothes, or you can potentially even landscape this in the future if you purchase this home. Since it has a large lot area of approximately 159 square meters, a lot of space was maximized. And you can really see this from the first room that you have here in the ground floor. So you see, it's quite spacious. You even have these two windows giving you a view of the outdoor area, which you can turn into a rock or pebble garden. And this is large enough, especially if you want to use this as a den space, home office, or if you have a family member who prefers to stay in the ground level. And what's great is you already have a powder room outside, but this room already has its own bathroom. And this is another great vantage point of how open the whole kitchen, dining, and main living area is. From here, I can even feel the air going down from the second level and coming in from the sliding door here in the dining space. And now let's head on up and take a look at the second level. Welcome to the second level of this home, where you have a spacious family hall area. From here, you have access to 3 rooms, the master bedroom and 2 other bedrooms. You see that the setup here allows you to have a television set over here and potentially a couch on this side, and maybe even a small desk or a small low table over here, which is excellent for just a lounge area for the family, especially if you have guests downstairs. And here's another space that was maximized to create ventilation and light. So if you look down here, you have a view of your dining space. And from here, you have access to your master bedroom. The master bedroom has tiles with a wooden design, which is consistent across the whole second level. You already have built-in cabinetry here. And there's so much space in terms of how big a bed you can put here. Even a California king-sized bed would fit here. And you can easily have a large widescreen TV on this side. In terms of the orientation of the house, east is on this side. So you have the morning sun coming in from here, and that's maximized through this balcony space. So you have a nice balcony nook over here with the morning sun coming in from this side. Now let's head on in. From here, you have your master bathroom. The master bathroom already comes with an additional walk-in closet space with tiles installed all the way from floor to the ceiling. And now, let's head on over and take a look at the third and fourth bedrooms. Here's another great view of the whole second floor hallway space. You can really appreciate the size from this angle. So here we have the third room. In terms of the color, this was painted a bluish gray in terms of the color of the walls. This is a more solid blue in terms of the hue, and it's spacious enough and well lit enough because it has this large window on this side. And it already comes with built-in cabinetry. And its own bathroom. And now let's take a look at the fourth room. In terms of the color combination, this has a green palette, and you also have built-in cabinets. In terms of the size, they're almost identical with the third room. So you can have your bed over here or on this side, and this is where you can have your television set. And I'd also like to notice the high ceiling. And you also have your own bathroom here. So the tiles here are really nice. The tile color matches with the color tones of the room. And as we head on over here to the family hallway, that ends our quick tour.
For the property features, it has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a carport for 2 vehicles, an open living area, a dining area, a powder room, a main kitchen, an auxiliary kitchen and service area, a family hallway, and a balcony. And all this with fast access to schools, commercial establishments, and major malls.
We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 4-bedroom duplex townhome development for sale located here in BF Resort, Las Pinas City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And you can also send us a message through our website www.metroguiderealty.com. So once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metro Guide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this brand new 4-bedroom townhome development for sale in BF Resort, Las Pinas City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.